I am Dr. Apur Bhatnagar, Associate Professor, SAY School of Management. This is my video lecture on corporate strategy, an overview of that. There are some corporate objectives. One is the return of assets. Second is customer satisfaction, employee motivation, and market share. There may be a lot of objectives, but these are the major objectives as such. Corporate strategy is smaller part of the corporate objectives. Hence, customer segmentation, telesales, leadership through quality. Strategy as such defined. Combination of competitive moves, approaches that managers employees to attract customers, developing and communicating the company's unique selling proposition. Business policy as such defined. How the company deals with their stakeholders, employees, customers, suppliers, distributors, and other stakeholders. It narrows the range of individual discretion so that employee act consistently on important issues. Features of policy. Don't change frequently. A function of a top management, it provides guidelines to manager. Policies should follow organization objectives. There is a difference between strategy and policy. Policy comes first. Policy is more in the form of guidelines or principle. Strategy comes later than business policy. Strategy is more specific with reference to particular target, situation, or an objective. Relationship as such defined, policy first, strategy second, and then tactics. Similarities. There are the word strategy is taken from the word military strategy. Both uses their strength to exploit the weakness of others. For both information and data are vital resources. They both innovate, change, improve to get a competitive edge on other. Dissimilarities between strategy and military strategy. Business strategies are based on the assumption of competition, but military strategy is based on the conflict, war is there. Military strategies are implemented in field, but business strategies are implemented at marketplace.
Thank you.